In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install n8n locally with Docker Desktop. By the end, you'll have n8n running on your machine, ready for you to build and test automations without touching a server. First, head to the official Docker Desktop website. Choose the installer that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or a supported Linux distribution, and download it. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to grant permissions or restart your computer. That's normal. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space, since Docker will download the n8n image in the next steps. Once Docker Desktop is installed, open the application. Give it a moment to start its services. You'll know it's ready when the interface loads and shows it's running. If it prompts you to accept terms or sign in, go ahead and complete those actions so Docker can pull images from its registry. Now, look at the left-hand panel and click Images. In this view, find the option to search for images to run. Type n8n into the search field. You should see the official n8n image appear in the results. Select it to add or pull the image. The download may take a bit the first time depending on your connection. After the image is available, click the play button to run it. Docker will ask you to confirm a few settings. Enter a container name. Anything descriptive is fine. And choose a host port. You can usually keep the default mapping, but if you prefer, set a port that's free on your machine. When you're ready, click Run. Docker will create and start the container. When the container shows as running, look for the listed port in the container details. It's clickable. Click that port, and Docker Desktop will open n8n in your default web browser. You're now accessing n8n locally on your computer. If the browser doesn't open automatically, you can copy the URL from Docker and paste it into your address bar. On the n8n welcome screen, set up your owner account. Create your login credentials and secure them somewhere safe. Once you finish the onboarding, you'll land in the n8n editor, where you can start building workflows right away. That's it. You've installed Docker Desktop, pulled the n8n image, started a container, and opened n8n locally in your browser. As a final note, n8n will stay available as long as the container is running in Docker Desktop. Enjoy exploring your new local automation environment.